Yo, it's your boy Deuce Trey with another unboxing. This is gonna be the missing pieces for the hyper realistic street spot park. Okay, so we got some of that. Got that, this, that's it. So boom, open these up. Okay, so I'm assuming these are more of the sidewalk slabs. Yep, there's one. There's another one. In there. Right in the middle. Got two more. Four. This one was double wrapped. Ah, man. No way, dude. I've never seen this before. This is not on his website. Dude, look at this, bro. This is fire, bro. Oh my God. It's like a kicker. Wow. That is so dope. That is awesome, bro. Huge thank you for that one. And some bad news. Have the curbs, but they cracked. They all, well, there's 4 of them and 3 of them cracked. That sucks, bro. That really sucks. And boom. I was gonna do it for the first of the second Brooskie pack. I got 3 cracked sidewalk curbs, 1 not cracked, boom. We got this. I did not know he was gonna send this. This is amazing. This is very nice. I love this, bro. Huge thank you for this, man. This is very nice. I've never seen anyone with this. It's not on the website that I know of. Bro. Sick. And then we got 4. slabs. So yeah, when I get the second pack, I'll be adding, you know, the second part of the video to this one to make one video. So yeah, to the next video. Yo, it's your boy Deuce Trey FB with the second part to the Brooskie builds pack. So yeah, man, I got the package the very next day. So I'm gonna open it up, and this is going to complete. I will have all the pieces for the DIY Brooskie Builds Park that will be at Project F. So here it is, guys. Pretty big pack. Pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie. Get everything out. Okay. Oh. Sick. He threw in some more extras. So he threw in some Brooskie butter. I never tried this before. Definitely excited about this one. That's fire, bro. Brooskie butter. He threw in, I know he posted this up. I don't know if he has it for sale yet, but this is like the 3D printed Brooskie kicker in black. This is pretty dope. It says Brooskie Builds Co on the bottom. That. Start. Oh, there's another Brooskie butter brick. Okay. Start with this one. Try to put them all lined up somewhat. There. Okay, so here's the first one. I was really praying nothing cracked this time. So we got 2 slabs. Okay. Here. It's like 4 slabs. Two more slabs. We got a cracked one. Sheesh. It's alright, it's on the corner. So we got one cracked. Loosen up. Two more slabs. These are intact. Good pieces. So we got 6 slabs here. First I'm gonna use a scissor. Okay, so one's kind of chipped, but we got, these are a whole bunch of like the 2-inch curves. 2. Four. 6. 8. 10. 6 more. So that's 16. And then 6 more. It's 22. So we got 22 of the 2-inch concrete curbs. Boom. None of those are cracked, thankfully. Here we got the 2x2-inch slabs. There's 8 in here. Stack these aside. There's 4, 6. 8. Oh. So that's 8. Okay, so far so good. We'll open this one up. Yeah, these scissors suck. I think it's time for some new scissors. I'm gonna get some new scissors. Or maybe I'll just sharpen these. I can just sharpen them. Okay. Boom. So in here. Oh, man, this is kind of a mess in here, bro. Okay. So in here, I got one of these, the sand gap. Throw in some Brooskie stickers. Got a second sand gap. Got the 2 sewer inserts. We have 4 more of these 2x2-inch slabs. These are kind of chipped and stuff. And then 2 more of the 2-inch curves. This one is cracked. Not too bad. This one is done. This one is really messed up. This one really chipped. What's that? Okay. I'm just happy these didn't crack. The sand gaps and the sewer pieces. Okay, so we got 2 more. Boom. Here. Yeah, this is a lot easier than just trying to friggin' cut it open. Okay. Oh, we got another cracked piece. But here's the 4-inch curbs. There's 8 in here. Only one of them are cracked though, so that's good news. And then this is the cracked one. Sucks. Boom. It's empty. This one. Okay, so we got some more 4-inch curbs. There's 2. There's 5. 8. And 12. None of these are cracked. Nice. Boom. Okay, and then the last one. Last 2. Okay, so here's some more of the 2x2-inch slabs. One, 2, 4, 6. 8. There's that, and then the last one, which is, I'm assuming, I don't know, so let me check. We got some more of the 2x2-inch curbs. I mean, slabs. It's 2, 4, 6, So that's gonna do it for this order. This right here is all the pieces that I will use to put together the park. So these are all 4-inch curbs. These are all 2-inch curbs with 2 sewer inserts. These are the corner pieces. I got 3 sand gaps, a whole bunch of the 2x2 slabs, and a whole bunch of the 4x4 inch slabs. And I got this. This was an extra. I wasn't expecting this. I didn't, like I said before, huge thanks on that, bro. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. It's your boy Deuce Trey. Thanks for watching. See you guys at Project F. Peace.